What if you could deliver stunning cinema quality 4K visuals anywhere, any room, without needing a team of technicians or a cart full of heavy equipment? That question is exactly what Panasonic Mavix has answered with their latest projector. And today, Vanessa and I are here to show you what it can do.
And this is the brand new Panasonic PT-VMQ85. And I have to say, when I first picked it up, my thought was, this cannot possibly be an 8000 lumen 4K projector. It's just so compact, but it absolutely is. And let's take a closer look. The PT-VMQ85 is Panasonic's very first 4K LCD projector, and it's already making history. As of early 2026, it's the smallest and lightest 4K LCD projector in its class, delivering over 8000 lumens. It comes equipped with Panasonic's solid shine laser light source, which means exceptional brightness and a long operational life up to 20,000 hours in normal mode. And it supports 360-degree free installation, ceiling, floor, front, rear, giving you complete flexibility for how and where you deploy it. And whether you're in corporate, education, a museum, or even a golf simulation facility, this projector is built to perform. It has approximately 7.6 kilograms. That's it. For a projector producing 8000 lumens of 4K image output, this is remarkable. The dimensions are just 399 by 115 by 348 millimeters. So it genuinely fits into flight cases, back of car boots, and portable AV setups without any drama. For integrators and rental companies, this matters enormously. You spend less time on logistics and more time on delivering a great experience to your client. And the build quality feels premium. The plastic body incorporates approximately 50% recycled resin. So it's not just light, it's also environmentally responsible. For anyone who's ever struggled to load a traditional high brightness projector into a van or up a ladder, this is a genuine game changer.
One of the things installers and rental crews consistently tell us, they care about setup speed and flexibility. The PT-VMQ85 delivers on both. First, a 1.6 times optical zoom with a throw ratio ranging from 1.09 to 1.77 to 1. That's a generous range for adapting to different room sizes without moving the projector itself. Then there is the lens shift, plus 44% vertical and plus or minus 20% horizontal from the screen center. So if you can't place the projector perfectly centered, you don't have to. The lens does the work. And keystone correction handles the rest, up to 25% vertical and 35% horizontal. There is also a clever feature called angle monitor, which makes it much easier for a single person to correctly position the projector without needing a second pair of eyes. Really practical for solo installation. Bottom line, less time aligning, less time troubleshooting, and faster sign-off on the job.
In today's AV environments, connectivity is everything. And the PT-VMQ85 is well equipped. You get two HDMI inputs, both supporting 4K at 60p and CC commands for integrated control. There's also an HDMI output for daisy chaining signals to a second screen. Critically, there's a 4K digital link over HD-Base-T, so you can transmit high-quality 4K video, network control, and audio over a single LAN cable across long distances. That's a huge advantage for permanent installations. A dedicated LAN port handles PJ-Link Class 2, network control, and a USB Type-A port supports the optional wireless module, enabling wireless presentation via the Panasonic app. And for widescreen applications, 21:9 or 27:9, the PT-VMQ85 supports those formats natively, ideal for panoramic displays or simulation environments. This projector is built to slot seamlessly into your existing infrastructure.
Increasingly, our customers are asking, yes, I want performance, but what's the environmental footprint? The VMQ85 has a strong answer. The laser light source delivers up to 20,000 hours at normal mode. That's years of operation without lamp replacement, reducing both cost and waste. In eco mode, the laser life extends to 24,000 hours and energy efficiency reaches approximately 20 lumens per watt, which is outstanding for a projector at this brightness level. There's also an image detection function. When the projected image remains static for a set period, the unit automatically dims, saving power without you having to do anything. Switch to quiet mode and a fan noise drops to just 34 decibels. That's whisper-quiet operation for a library, a museum, classroom, or a high-end conference room. And as Vanessa mentioned, the housing uses roughly 50% recycled resin, and the shipping carton replaces foam insulation with recyclable paper trays. Panasonic has thought about this from production to operation to end of life.
The Panasonic PT-VMQ85, the world's smallest and lightest 4K LCD projector in its class, above 8,000 lumens. Immersive image quality, effortless portability, flexible installation, comprehensive connectivity, and built with sustainability in mind.
Let's bring this all together. Here we have the VMQ85 running live. Look at this. The detail, the sharpness, that's 4K resolution at 3840 by 2400 pixels, achieved through Panasonic's proprietary 2-axis pixel shift technology. Now I know what some of you might be thinking. 4K from an LCD projector? Is that really true 4K? And the answer is yes. Due to the 2-axis pixel shift, the projector is delivering a genuinely immersive, full-resolution 4K image.
In brightness, 8,000 lumens. That means you're not just getting this in a darkened room. You're getting this in a brightly lit conference room, a school gymnasium, or an exhibition hall. Notice the sharpness on text and fine detail. Even in this bright room, the 8,000 lumens ensures everything is clearly legible. No washed out colors, no eye strain. Now let's push it. This is 4K content with vivid green mode enabled. Look at those greens, incredibly natural. You can immediately see why this is a compelling choice for golf simulators and immersive attraction environments. Another sustainability feature within the vivid green mode is that it saves power consumption while still maintaining full vivid colors. Let's have a live demo to demonstrate the savings live with you on our power meter. Our projector is now set on standard mode and consuming 340 watts on power. Let's now change the mode and please have an eye on the power meter. Now I change the mode into our vivid green mode, and we will see in a second that the power meter drops below 270 watts, which is a massive cost saving in that mode.
Last but not least, the 5 million to 1 contrast ratio handles the full dynamic range beautifully. Deep blacks, bright highlights, no crush. The VMQ85 is available from second quarter 2026. To find out more, speak to your Panasonic partner or visit us at eu.connect.panasonic.com. We hope to see you soon at a demo.